Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word blueberry. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I love to add fresh blueberries to my yogurt for a healthy and tasty breakfast option. A blueberry is a small, round, and sweet fruit that grows on a shrub. It is often purple-blue in color and is known for its antioxidant properties. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.